Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you a 2025 Grady-White 251 Explorer. So starting on the outside, we did option this Ocean Mist Blue. Of course, it comes with the standard package of 300 horsepower Yamaha on the back. Besides that, we did the underwater lightings. Of course, it comes standard with the trim tabs and all the overbuilt cleats and eye hooks throughout the boat that they use on their larger boats as well. Let's go ahead and hop in, check it out some more. All right, guys, inside this Grady-White 251 Coastal Explorer, I want to point out some of the new options that Grady upgraded this with. Before, it used to have a backrest that would flip up. Now they have this pivoting seat that goes forward, backwards, side to side, all that good stuff. So what that also does is opens up that boarding and exit ladder in the back and doesn't have a cap on it. Right here, we did come with the release well. We optioned it with the center backrest as well. Here at the leaning posts, we do have a very nice live well right here. Large, rounded blue, keeps your bait nice and fresh and alive. The helm right here does have a tilt steering wheel, of course with the trucker knob. We can put twin 12-inch displays. It comes with the Yamaha Command Link display, which typically we're going to link those into these other displays, so you have a little bit of redundancy here. Moving forward, we did option this boat with the table, which also turns into a nice large lounger. This casting platform insert goes right here and gives you a nice queen's lounge, as I like to call it. So another upgrade Grady-White did to their boat this year, or to the 251 this year, is instead of this being manual, they added some actuators to it, and now these are powered, which allow you to have multiple different positions, pretty much almost not infinite, but a ton more positions than the previous model. We did option it with the trolling motor up front, or the trolling motor package, so it comes with the swivel mount, pre-wired from the front to the helm, and it does come with your batteries. Guys, my name is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. I hope you like what you see here. Seeing isn't just believing. You got to come test drive this boat. This is one of the best riding 25-foot boats in the world. Come by and see us soon, or give me a call. My number is 936-223-6770.